Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to pair your PlayStation 5 or 4 over the PS app on your phone. So if you're trying to link this, let's go on over to this. And you can see we're under the main settings page, under the controller. Let's go up to settings. Now select this, scroll on down, and we want to go to console management. And we want to go to where it says pair console with app. Now most of the time, when we're connected to the same Wi-Fi and we're signed into the same account, it will just link the console when we're trying to use remote play, or if we're trying to just start up our PS5. And you can see I have the option to change between my PS4 and my PlayStation 5. Just make sure it's in rest mode. So my PS4 is not, so I can't connect there. And it's giving us some tips right here. PlayStation 5, sign in on your console. Make sure it's connected and signed in with the same account you're using on this mobile application. Make sure your PlayStation 5 is in rest mode. And for the PS4, on your console, go to Settings, Account Management, activate as your primary PS4, and activate it. So you can select the console right there. Now another thing that you can do is go to Scan QR Code. It says scan the QR code. It's giving me my phone. Otherwise, I can enter in the code manually on my PlayStation 5. So I can go to this and enter in whatever code that is shown on the screen, and I should be able to connect via that method. But most of the time, if you're connected to the same Wi-Fi, so if we go back, it will just automatically link your account. So if you're using the PlayStation 5, probably be different for the PS4. So let's go over to the game library. I really like the Elder Scrolls Online. Wish they would add better PvP or upgrade that, but we can just go to Play on Console. Heard my PlayStation 5 beep, connecting to your console. And it should say like linking with console or something like that, or searching the internet for it. So you just connect to the same Wi-Fi. That's usually what you need to do. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech. And if it doesn't start like this, go to the remote play option and you can bypass the code.